Hello grade 5 learners! Today is another opportunity for you to learn in mathematics. I am Marie, your grade 5 mathematics teacher. I am here to guide you in today's lesson. Are you ready? Let's go! But before we start with our new lesson, let us have a quick review about polygon.
Number 1. What is this? Square. Correct. Number 2. What polygon is this? Triangle. That's right. Number 3. What is this? Rectangle. Awesome. Number 4. What polygon is this? Hexagon. Very good. Number 5. Pentagon. Very good.
Wow! It seems that you already know about the polygon. So this time, bring out your pen and bring out your self-learning book. Let us begin our new lesson for this morning. Oh! What are these objects? Can you help me identify these objects? Let's have this first. What do you call this one? Great! This is a watch. How about this one? What is this? Correct! This is a shoebox. This object. Do you know this object? Excellent! This is a Rubik's Cube. How about this one? That is awesome! This is a can of sardines. Okay, last object. What is this? Very good! The object that show a while ago are example of solid figures. Today, you will be visualizing and describing solid figures. So let's get started! Now, let us define first the term beginning with solid figures. Solid figures are three-dimensional figures. A three-dimensional object has length, width, and height. Moreover, they have faces, vertices, and edges.
Vocabulary time. Singular, face, plural, faces. Vertex, vertices. Edge, edges. Polyhedron, polyhedra. Face. What is the face? Face is a curve or flat surface of a solid figure. Next, edge or edges. Edges is a line segment between the faces. Next, the vertex, or in the plural, vertices, is a point where two edges met.
Figures are either polyhedron or non-polyhedron. What are the difference between the polyhedron and non-polyhedron? So polyhedron, if all its faces are polygons. Otherwise, it is non-polyhedron. Example of polyhedron: the cube, pyramid, and the rectangular prism. Non-polyhedron: cylinder, cone, and sphere. This time, let us know the different kinds of solid figures through this song. So, I want you to listen, watch, and sing along with this song.
Have you enjoyed listening to the song? What are the different solid figures mentioned in the song? Can you give me a name of solid figure? That's right, sphere. What else? Pyramid. Correct. Cube. Awesome. Rectangular prism. Correct. Cone. That's right. Very good, class. Now, let us describe and visualize the different kinds of solid figures. Let's start with a cube. What is cube? Cube is also a prism with congruent squares as bases or sides and lateral faces. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Let's count the 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 faces. Next, 12 edges. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next is the vertices. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For examples, we have here a gift, dice, and block. Another solid figure is pyramid. What is pyramid? Pyramid is a solid figure made up of base and triangular faces. These faces meet at a common topmost point called the vertex. It has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 faces. Next, the 8 edges. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. Next is the 5 vertices. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the pyramid has 5 vertices. What are the examples of pyramid? We have here tent and tower. Next solid figure is rectangular prism or prisms. So rectangular prism is a solid figure that have parallel faces that have the same shape. These faces of the sides are parallelograms. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Let's count the 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, 12 edges. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. Next is the 8 vertices. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what are the examples of rectangular prism? We have here a truck, a toy box, and refrigerator. Next solid figure is cylinder. What is cylinder? Cylinder is a solid figure that has two circles and curved lateral face. It has two circular bases. It has three faces, two edges, and zero vertex. Yes, cylinder has no vertex. Now, let's count the three faces. 1, 2, 3. Next, the two edges. Let's count. 1 and 2. Again, cylinder has no vertex. Examples of cylinder. We have here drum, cup, and test tube. Next, cone. What is cone? Cone is a solid figure that has a circular flat base and a curved face pointed towards the top. The pointed top end of the cone is called the vertex. It has two faces, one edge, and one vertex. Let's count the two faces. We have 1, 2. One vertex. Let's count. 1. And one vertex. Okay. What are the examples of cone? Last solid figure is sphere. What is sphere? It's a solid figure in which all points are of equal distance from a point called its center, and these points form a curved surface as well. Sphere has no vertex, has no edge, and has no faces. What are the examples of sphere? We have here orange, globe, and beach ball. Group activity time. In this activity, you will be grouped into 3. The red team, yellow team, and the blue team. Since we are now in a pandemic or new normal class setting, to find where your group is, I include your first name beside each activity. You can answer this immediately using your learning activity sheet. Good luck, learners! For the group 1, red team. Direction. Write the name of the solid figures that matches the shape of each given objects below. For the group 2, yellow team. Direction. Complete the table below to describe solid figures. For the group 3, blue team. Direction. Give the letter of the solid figure being described in column A to column B. Are you done? Okay, let's check your work. Let's start with the group 1, red team. Are you ready, Group 1? Number 1, cone. Number 2, cube. Number 3, rectangular prism. Number 4, sphere. Number 5, cylinder. Number 6, pyramid. Who got the perfect score? Wow, very good. Are you ready, yellow team? Let's check your work. Number 1, 5 vertices. Number 2, polyhedron. Number 3, non-polyhedron. Number 4, 12 edges. Number 5, 3 faces. Who get the perfect score? That is fantastic. How about the blue team? Are you ready to check your answer? Okay, number 1, C. Number 2, E. Number 3, B. Number 4, A. Number 5, D. Who get the perfect score? Wow, that's great. The activity. In this activity, you will answer this by yourself. Direction. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What is the shape of a globe? A. Cone. B. Cylinder. C. Sphere. Sphere. Correct. Number 2. The following are example of cube, except A. Book. B. Watch box. C. Dice. Book. Correct. Next. Mayon volcano is located in Albay. What is the shape of this volcano? A. Cylinder. B. Cone. C. Cube. Correct. Cone. B. Next. Number 4. A test tube, also known as a sample tube. It is a common piece of laboratory glassware. How many faces does a test tube have? A. 2 faces. B. 3 faces. C. 1 face. Correct. 3 faces. B. Last number. Number 5. Basketball is the most popular sport in the Philippines. What kind of solid figure or object used in playing this game? A. Baseball. B. Beach ball. C. Basketball. Basketball. Correct. That is awesome. Now, let's see if you really understand our topic for today. Who can define solid figures? Absolutely correct. Very nice. That is awesome. Next, can you please visualize and describe the different solid figures? Let's start with the cube. Wow, that's great. How about the prism? Yes. Correct. How about the pyramid? That's right. Cylinder. That is awesome. How about cone? Wow. Amazing. How about sphere? Great job! Next, let's identify the face, vertex, and edge of solid figures. How can we identify each? Wow, that's great! Congratulations, pupils! You really understood our topic for today. So now, let us have another activity. Direction. Identify and describe the types or the type of solid figures by the following illustrated objects. I give you 10 minutes to answer this activity. Good luck, pupils! Okay, are you done? That's great. For your assignment, direction, look inside your room and list down 5 different solid figures. Draw, visualize, and describe. Letter B. Study the next lesson on page 244 to 246 of your book in Mathematics 5. Congratulations, pupils! You have done a great job.